I was the director of the Mayor's Commission for Women, and someone in the health department contacted me about this proposal that had come about a mom-mobile and said, "It seems kind of odd, what do you think? A woman named JoAnne Fischer is proposing it." And I said, "I'd support anything JoAnne Fischer is proposing."
We grew up 4 girls in a row house with the values of respecting everyone regardless of their differences, and that really took us a long way.
Right from the beginning, it was very clear that JoAnne dreamed big.
I applied to be MCC's first director of programs, and the job interview was with JoAnne. JoAnne came off as incredibly dynamic, very, very knowledgeable, and we covered a lot of territory in a very short time.
She was a ball of energy, just a very enthusiastic ball of energy.
I was explaining some aspects of the evaluation, and JoAnne Fischer was the first one to ask a question.
She walked in, she actually lit up the room, introduced herself to everyone, and I was kind of starstruck.
I was very impressed with her ability to not only answer my questions, start giving me new avenues to look into in terms of where my research questions were going.
I remember when we went on a business trip to New Orleans, that she really made sure that I was, I was reassured and I was really confident. She was my backbone there.
What has impressed me so much about JoAnne is that she's a visionary. She is an incredible leader in her resiliency.
I think JoAnne has been particularly talented in pushing the envelope on services for mothers and children, and at the same time being able to get along enough with funding sources to make sure that she can deliver those services.
Part, JoAnne is ever the coach and the educator.
I was able to, through the help of JoAnne, making it possible during work time and paying for education for an associate's degree. I went further and was encouraged to get my master's degree.
Her leadership skills weren't like the typical leader, it was more so like a family bonding thing.
JoAnne takes a really unique approach to staff meetings. They're not like any staff meeting I've ever been into. Some have referred to it as a revival meeting.
JoAnne has this amazing ability to bring people together and get things moving.
She wants all the voices to be heard. She wants everyone at the table.
She has a lot of spirit. She believes in this program, obviously for a great reason. It changes people.
JoAnne is creative.
Perseverance.
Tenacious.
Optimistic.
Radiant.
Inspirational.
She was revolutionary.
Overwhelming.
I guess enduring.
Resuscitation. Because she takes a lot of dead places and people and bring life to them.
She's a leader not just locally, regionally, statewide, but she is nationally.
JoAnne's work, her conferences, our dinners from time to time have educated me. She's really on the cutting edge of what the health and social needs are of vulnerable families.
What can I learn from her? Keep at it. Keep at it. Keep at it and stay passionate.
This program empowered me to be who I am.
Hearing her say that being a woman is no longer a pre-existing condition really gave me goosebumps.
She's created opportunities for me to grow and learn in ways that I didn't even think were possible for myself.
She changed me, and I see the difference in my community, in my church, in my neighborhood, and in myself, in my own personal circles.
Working with her was just phenomenal, and I felt I just sailed right through everything.
She gives on every single level. She's there on every single level.
I have no doubt that if she wanted to, she could very easily do another 25 years.